You are now ready to measure the ESOC contact and signal quality. Visually inspect the headset and ensure the white tips of all ESOCs are making contact with the scalp. If an ESOC is not making contact with the scalp, push the ESOC closer by placing your thumb over the diamond band and pressing gently to allow for closer contact. Select Headset Contact from the left side of the session screen. This function measures the contact quality of each electrode location. Green equals good, yellow acceptable, and red needs additional work. This function will first check the contact of the ground and both ears. Use the blunt needle syringe to add electroconductive cream, such as Paul Mitchell the cream, to the ground if better connection is needed. It is important to strive for green connection for these 3 sites. Once the ground and both ears show acceptable contact, click Check All Locations located directly under the electrode diagram. The software will automatically begin to measure the contact quality at each electrode location 2 or 3 at a time. Once the contact check is complete, inspect any red and yellow sites to ensure ESOCs are making contact with the scalp. Basic contact improvement techniques include moving hair. Use your finger or blunt needle syringe to move the hair to ensure the ESOC is making direct contact with the scalp. Exfoliating the scalp. The ESOCs are made using exfoliating material that can be used to exfoliate the scalp by rubbing back and forth or rotating to improve contact. Filling gaps. Use a blunt needle syringe to add electroconductive cream, such as Paul Mitchell the cream, to fill gaps between the ESOC and the scalp. Adding additional moisture. Use a blunt needle syringe to add more saline to the ESOC to increase moisture. Use the mouse or touch screen to select a particular electrode location. Perform contact improvement techniques while simultaneously examining the connection on the screen for immediate feedback. Repeat contact improvement techniques until as many sites as possible show acceptable contact. Once contact checking is complete, click the Signal tab at the top of the screen to inspect raw EEG waves. Instruct the patient to close their eyes and remain still. Monitor raw wave signals for about 1 minute to ensure good signal quality. If you observe wandering waves, then use contact improvement techniques to achieve a better signal. Most raw EEG files will contain artifacts caused by patient movement, poor electrode scalp contact, or other environmental factors. The Instant Review function allows you to recognize artifacts in the EEG while you are still in the monitor view before you run any protocols. This enables you to proactively take corrective actions to improve data quality. To use this function, open the monitor view and allow the system to collect raw EEG waves for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Have the patient close their eyes and remain still during the collection period. Then press the Instant Review button. The segment of EEG data you just collected will be replayed automatically with artifacts highlighted by red and blue lines. Red lines indicate sections of data containing severe artifacts which will not be incorporated by the report generating function. Blue lines indicate possible EEG artifacts, which may also contain valid EEG data. If these sections of EEG do contain real artifacts, they will have a much smaller impact on the accuracy of the reports, so they will be included by the report generation function in order to ensure that there is sufficient EEG data to generate a report. If you see a lot of red lines, take appropriate corrective actions, then press Resume Live and collect more data. Repeat the instant review process until the data quality has been improved as much as possible before proceeding to run any protocols.